Thank you. Thank you for inviting me to be part of this momentous occasion. The minister responsible for this is on the Deputy Prime Minister, Honorable Monokamika. He's currently in Europe and in cabinet. When one leaves, one is nominated to run, to look up the things in his absence. So I'm here acting on his behalf. And when I travel, he acts on my behalf. That's the way it works with the cabinet. But I'm really honored to be here today because Honorable Kamika briefs cabinet with a particular joy when he talks about your kind of work. And he's really determined to ensure the connectivity in Fiji is at par with the best in the world. So thank you for inviting me. Sally, the regional director, Farid, CEO, management and staff, and my colleague Tupo from, Pacific House, right? She's on one floor and I'm on the floor upstairs. Ladies and gentlemen, the digitization of our economy and society is accelerating. Some would say it is unstoppable. 2 months ago, I was at the launch of a WeChat Pay solution, a Chinese facility. I spoke about convenience and the role technology plays. Everyone desires and demands convenience, almost in every aspect of our lives. We want food delivered to our homes without having to leave the house. We want to shop online for things we may not have in Fiji. But even that is not always enough. We want all of this done faster, which means investment in connectivity, infrastructure for more capacity and more speed. I'm no technology expert, but as a user, I know how beneficial 5G will be. It is therefore my pleasure to be here today for the Digicel 5G technology test trial launch. I'm sure the Honorable Kamika, who could not be here with us, will be equally excited to see these advancements, putting Fiji on the map in global telecom technology standards. Ladies and gentlemen, with every new generation of mobile technology comes fundamental improvements to the capabilities of mobile networks and changes to spectrum management approaches. Fiji, like other countries, has seen a massive growth in the number of subscribers and the tangible benefits of mobile networks. The benefits of 5G are quite far-reaching, as articulated earlier. It promises to provide faster internet speed, low latency, and more reliable connectivity. This means we can expect smoother video calls, faster downloads, and a more seamless browsing experience, which everybody wants. In fact, we rely on it. With the success that we have with the rugby and all that, this is going to be another level of enjoyment for us. But it's not only about streaming and Netflix faster, though I admit that's a huge win. Sectors such as travel and tourism depend on access to the internet for competitiveness. That's my word, tourism and connectivity, and airlines and crafts depend on it for safe navigation. Retailers, medical professionals, students, farmers, essentially everyone. For an island nation like us, connectivity is tenfold more important. With 5G technology, we support a wide range of new applications, including autonomous vehicles, remote healthcare, and smart cities. These new applications have the potential to transform the way we live and work. And I'm excited to see what the near future holds. I'm told this aligns to a project the Ministry of Communications is working with the United Nations. The Smart Islands Initiative is being undertaken in Rotuma and is currently in a scoping assessment stage. With any new technology, there are safeguards and measures that need to be put in place. The same applies here to ensure the rollout of 5G is seamless, given the greater complexity of the 5G ecosystem. Again, I'm no expert here, but I understand that the Telecommunications Authority of Fiji is working closely with Digicel and other stakeholders in this regard. The Ministry of Communications, the government of Fiji, is committed to supporting the rollout of 5G technology in Fiji. We recognize the importance of having access to fast and reliable internet, and are working closely with our partners in the telecommunication industry to ensure that not only do our people and businesses have access to the latest technology, but there is meaningful connection to our unconnected areas. I was doing one level last week, and I was shocked. Some of the people there still don't have connectivity. So I welcome all this, and that'll link us to the remote areas. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a priority of the government. In closing, I take this opportunity to congratulate Digicel Fiji once again. Your achievement for a large part is that of our nation. When you bring new products to the market, they have socio-economic impacts that can be far-reaching. Thank you.
Bula Vinaka, and a warm welcome to you all. May we start by expressing our appreciation to the Honourable Viliame Gavoka, Deputy Prime Minister, Minister of Tourism, Civil Aviation, and to Tupo Baravalava, Director General, Digital Government Transformation, Cybersecurity and Communications. We thank you for being a part of this momentous occasion in our country. Your time and support are greatly valued. Thank you. Today, I am thrilled to announce yet another significant milestone for Digicel Fiji, as we once again lead the way with innovation and become the first telecommunications provider in Fiji to officially launch 5G testing. We officially received a license in Fiji to test 5G technology on 17th of April from the Telecommunications Ministry. Following testing, we will work with the government and our partners on a development plan. We believe that 5G is the future of connectivity, and we are committed to bringing this technology to Fiji. So, what will 5G mean to our country, our people and the economy? The introduction of 5G will bring faster, more reliable connectivity and an enhanced digital experience to our customers. It will also help to contribute to position Fiji as an advanced commerce hub, building our economy and creating new opportunities. Now, let's talk about what will be the possible speed. What will be possible speed-wise? 5G is fast. It can potentially deliver over 900 megabytes. Well, technically, 5G can do even more, but let's save some of that story till we are ready to launch. For now, let me paint you a picture of the 5G experience. With 5G, you can expect faster downloads and streaming, making it easier to consume high bandwidth content like HD videos and virtual reality. You will be able to do more of what you love even faster. Imagine watching your favorite rugby team from front row seats in your lounge room, but the footage feeling so real that you can see the sweat dripping off your player's brows. As he drives across the line, it will be incredible. 5G also has more capacity. This is important because smartphones and the booming Internet of Things mean that data traffic is increasing. Data networks are like busy traffic-filled highways. 5G helps to relieve this congestion by adding lanes in the form of spectrum bandwidth. This increases capacity, leads to faster data speeds and better performance, especially in crowded areas. Well, this is the 5th generation of mobile network technology. 2G borders SMS and picture messaging, for those of you who remember that. 3G was all about mobile internet. 4G made streaming and sharing part of everyday life. 5G stands for 5th generation and is the next leap forward in mobile network technology. Downloads will take seconds, streaming will be seamless, gaming in real time, 5G represents the future where devices are interconnected and immersive experiences are the norm. For businesses, 5G will enable the use of even more cloud-based applications, plus improved streaming, enhanced video conferences with less buffering, and a greater ability to perform tasks on the go. Better connectivity will also help boost productivity and remote collaboration. Increased capacity and lower latency means less data lag and closer to real-time responses. Faster responses and access to near real-time data enable applications and analytics that will power technologies where milliseconds count, like healthcare, construction, education, industrial automation, public safety, and virtual and augmented reality. Indeed, we are redefining possibilities with 5G. At Digicel, we have already invested millions of dollars in our infrastructure, and we remain committed to expanding our reach through the development of fiber and cellular sites. Today's announcement of 5G testing further demonstrates our commitment to Fiji and technology. We take pride in leading the way in this new era of telecommunications, and we are fully supportive of our government's vision to transition into a digital economy. Before we wrap, may I express my gratitude to our dedicated team for their hard work and to our customers for their continued support and their trust in Digicel Fiji. Today, we take first step towards a promising tomorrow, and we look forward to the endless opportunities ahead. Vinaka.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah. Yes. We're doing the uploading knowledge.
9:41. Whoa.